Okay, column on site. Put the U around the fiberglass one. Grab the piece you're gonna put on. We fit it first to see where the PL actually grabs. And then you add just a little bit more so that you know you get good adhesion. Next step, pin nailer, piece on, pin nail each corner. Try and pinch it, one there, to pinch the corner all the way up, both sides, all the way down. Pin, pin, perfect. Next step is Viking arms both sides or construction jacks, whatever. Hit the lever, lift it up, holds it there for you. Put your baseboard on so you can see where your reveal is, because we have 3 1/8 styles. That means we want 3 1/8 rail. And it just holds it there for you so that you can check the top with your crown and do the exact same thing. Now the tricky part is the post behind was fiberglass, so nothing really goes into it nicely. You gotta pre-drill everything, screw it in. The only thing with that is every time you screw, it kind of moves another corner. So you kind of have to screw it all kind of at the same time, try to keep it level. Putting the shims underneath, plastic or cedar, and just keep screwing it until it gets level and square. So now we skirt it with the crown, skirt it with the base, and that's it. Okay, now that the columns are all in, we're gonna work on our skirting, which is our base and our crown. Base is all done. It's relatively easy. You don't have to work off ladders. Get the columns in and the skirting. But what you do is, at least what I do, these pieces were cut at about 7 5/8. So what we do is we find a line at 7 3/8 so that we can scribe cut the tops, right? So we gotta take a little bit off, which still gives us our 3 1/8, 3 1/8, 3 1/8. What you do is you just tack it in, pin nail it, so it holds it in place so that you can go to the next piece where I would put a level line, put my level right underneath this miter so it stops against it. And then I would put the level on that side and then draw my line as my reference mark so that this piece is always there. I don't have to hold it, just tack it in, figure out the miter, make it nice and tight. Right. I'll mess with that a little bit, pin nail it, glue it, and call it a day. Okay, baseboard skirting done, crown molding skirting done, and that's pretty much it. Just gonna dap and fill around the top, or caulk and fill. Yeah, that's pretty much the gist of it. Everything worked out pretty good. Even though both columns, I guess when the builder did this, they're about 3/4 of an inch out of square, or different heights. I mean, it was out of square, the trim work above, but we worked with it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Everything worked out. 3 1/8 to 3 1/4, give or take, on all the rails and styles. Baseboard, everything done. Just last coat of paint, and we're all set. Okay, that's a wrap. Column wrap. AO. All set. Baseboard skirting, crown molding skirting. Call it whatever you want. Everything's done. Wrapped up. Second coat paint. She's all set.